Oh my god, everyone is buying this coin right now. There is so much volatility, which means that it is perfect for this coin. I'm pretty sure we'll be able to hit 70k, bro. Alright, yo, it's actually looking pretty solid, bro. I love these buyers coming in. Alright, that's perfect. Alright, come on, just a couple more buyers. Yo, honestly, bro, I'm just gonna cut the profit short. Once we hit 50k, I'm gonna remove liquidity. Come on, bro. Oh my god, no, I have no more time to waste, bro. Fuck it. What you wanna do, go to the website, click on the minus button, 100%, remove liquidity. Okay, good shit. And then confirm. Oh my god! We just made! I used this Phantom wallet to make over $632,000 in just a few weeks launching meme coins on the Solana blockchain. Stay tuned, I'm about to show you exactly how. If you clicked on this video, you are wanting to make hella money, and I feel you. I was down bad before, bro. All those nights I could not sleep. I needed to make it out. Once I found this strategy, it went only up from there. Now, you guys are probably trading these meme coins, am I right? And you guys are probably losing your money off of it, am I right? It's like gambling. It's legit gambling. You have no idea what will happen to the coin. Now, the strategy I use to make my first $100,000 and first million is by creating these meme coins at the very beginning with a good narrative. I don't know about this one, but all the way up, waiting for the buyers to rack up and then just dumping the liquidity. As simple as that. Now, how are we guys gonna do this? We are going to go on Pump.Fun. This website is the best website on YouTube currently that I know of, and it allows you to create your own meme coins for just less than 1 Solana. And the thing that is amazing about this website and strategy is that it's fully repeatable. You can create hundreds of thousands of these meme coins in the Radium Dexes, which is basically the better one that the website offers, and you guys will be able to make hella bread until you are pleased. Now stay tuned. But before we get started, I just want to make it clear that this video is purely for educational purposes only, so please do not copy me but enjoy the video. Now, the reason why you guys are going to be wanting to create your coins on Coinlabs.fun, first of all, it requires no coding, and your coins are instantly launched onto the Radium Dex. Now, with the Radium Dex, it's basically the graduated category for all these meme coins. And once your coin is created on the Radium Dex, you get way more eyeballs, way more attention, and then way more buys. Whereas if you went to Pump.Fun to create your coin, you guys would have to wait for a bonding curve. And so what a bonding curve is when your coin hits about 90k, the liquidity pool goes straight to Radium, and then you have to do that. But all of this is time consuming, and when you create your coin on Pump.Fun, your coin just gets dumped into an ocean of bullshit ass coins, and no one can truly see them. That's why you guys will want to create your coins on Coinlabs.fun. Now, the easiest way to make a shit ton of money by going to the copy trending coins tab. Now, what this tab entails is a whole ass section on the website trying to find meme coins that are proven to making you a shit ton of money. It goes through all the bullshit coins, finds the one that are actually proven to make you money. And my golden rule, my golden strategy is to find a meme coin with a market cap of around 30,000 and above. So for example, this one would be perfect. And my second golden rule is that it has to have a last bought in under 15 seconds. So for example, all of these coins, so from Drisby until America's 250, these coins are all juicy ass coins to make a shit ton of money. And it only takes one coin to change everything, and one click create your coin. That's all you guys need to do, as simple as that. Just a quick disclaimer, this is Mr. Munyon from the future. All of these rugs that you guys are gonna be seeing, they're only 2. Basically, I'm on a trip, and those are my last 2 recorded launches that were actually pretty good. So that's why y'all are gonna be seeing them a hella ton, because I am on vacation. Alright, so we're gonna create a coin right now. We're gonna refresh the list. So okay, this coin is over 30,000 market cap, last bought about 15 seconds ago, has a valid narrative. So we're gonna create the coin. Just gonna write my password. Now don't mind this, just proceed anyways, Confirm, I understand. Confirm, alright. Now the website is currently creating my token. So all you have to do is wait, and then boom. That is your coin token address that has been created. Now if we go over to create liquidity pool, you guys are gonna want to create for the token A, put it to 90%. And then the token B, which is basically the liquidity in the coin, anywhere from 0.3 to 0.5 Solana is a good liquidity. So what we're gonna do for the sake of the video, we're gonna put 0.3 Solana. Now all we have to do is create pool and the coin should be live. So we're gonna be creating the pool. Give it a couple of seconds. All right, so proceed. And then boom, the pool has successfully been created. Now give it a second, and then boom, our token is successfully created. Now we have a liquidity pool for said token. Now all you guys have to do to see your coin is click on view, and here is the coin. Now this is a couple minutes after the launch. And bro, this coin is already at 16k, dropping a bit. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to remove the liquidity. Now, how are we gonna remove liquidity? Well, if you're to remove the liquidity, which I don't think I will, we're gonna press minus, then 100%, and then click remove liquidity. And then if you were to proceed, you click confirm, and then your liquidity should have removed. So we just made what, like 13k in a matter of 5-10 minutes. It's as simple as that. Hopefully this video gave y'all clarity on how you guys can create your own meme coins. Join my free Telegram in the description down below. My website is also linked there, so you guys can launch your own coins very fast. And until the next one, peace.